How to download Silent Hill 2 on your Windows computer. First, you need to get Steam. For that, search Steam on Google for the first result and install Steam from here, right? After you have done the process, after you have complete your installation, Steam will look like this. This is the Steam application. So this is the Steam logo. Just open Steam, and from the store, from the top right store, just tap here. From the search Silent Hill 2, and this will pop up, and from here press add to cart and view my cart. Here you need to pay the game amount. After you have completed paying the amount, after you have done everything, go to your library. You'll find a game somewhere here, and you need to press the install button like this. So yeah, this is how you play or download Silent Hill 2 on your Windows computer.